Right, 30 deals, no messing about. Freebies, tools, tech, the lot. Let's get into it. 1. Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. 1,500 free Animus keys plus the Crimson Storm sales. If you own the game already, that's free loot sat there waiting. 2. KeepUp Survival on PC, Epic Games. Full survival game, completely free. Grab it before Epic change their mind. 3. Chester Attractions Freebies. Sign up to the Chester BID newsletter for free cinema tickets, a river cruise, mini golf, more. Costs you an email address. 4. NoRush Tower Edition, Epic PC. Another freebie. Download it, decide later if you like it. 5. Pokmon Go Code. Free Pokeballs and coins with a code. 30 seconds for free gear. 6. His Wife's Sister, Kindle Edition. Crime thriller, free right now. Load it up before the price creeps back on. 7. Free Ice Lollies, Sainsbury's via VeryMe Vodafone. Vodafone customers, check the app. Free ice cream, sorted for summer. 8. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. All weapon skin DLCs free if you already own the game. Proper value sat right there. 9. Pokmon Go, more free link charges and Pokeballs. Stack it with the other code. 10. Metal Soldiers 4 Pro, Android. Paid game app, free download, no catch. 11. Free entry, Day 4, Women's Test, England vs India. Free ticket to watch international cricket. 12. Free courses bundle, AI, AWS, Jira, Tableau, Power BI, Snowflake, more, CV boost, zero spend. 13. The Keeper of Stars, Kindle Edition, novel, free right now, get it downloaded. 14. Rolling Thunder, Coastal Fury, Book 1, Kindle, another free read, stack your library for nout. 15. Alvarez Family Murder Mysteries, Volumes 1 to 3, Kindle, 3 books in 1, free, proper haul for crime fans. 16. Makita DTD152Z Impact Driver, body only, $36.99, trade grade kit at a price that doesn't hurt. 17. Wolf City, Mickey Friday, Book 1, Kindle, free thriller, first in the series, try before you commit. 18. Lego Classic Animation Scenes. Free with any order over $115. Worth timing your order around this one. 20. The Burning Tree Salvation Kindle. Post-apocalyptic thriller, Book 1 free, get stuck in. 21. Manhattan T4R 2TB, $229 for 2TB of storage. Solid price if you need the space. 22. World of Rainbow Watch Face. Free app, costs nothing, freshens up your wrist. 23. Apple TV weekly movie sale, films from $2.99 this week, cheaper than the cinema. 24. Adidas Terrex East Rail 3 hiking shoes, down to $41.31 with the code and gift card stack, waterproof hikers for under 50 quid. 25. Hisense AX5125 H soundbar with subwoofer, $169 with the code, surround sound, wireless sub, solid home cinema upgrade. 26. Silverlight, a mermaid mystery, Kindle, free read, book 1 of the series, no excuse not to try it. 27. Kids FIFA graphic hoodie, $3.90, free click and collect, cheap and cheerful for the kids. 28. Evolution R185CCSX circular saw with track, $76.49 for the saw and a 3-piece track, serious tool at a hobbyist price. 29. Status LED camping lantern, $2.93, chuck it in the camping box and forget about it till you need it. 30. OnePlus 15 R 12 gig RAM, 512 storage, $386.56 with the code, flagship spec at mid-range money. That's your lot. Freebies at the top, proper savings at the bottom. Links are below. Go bag what you fancy before it's gone.